Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Makfira Taufik, and now I will talk about what is translation. So the first is translation is the process of changing a text from one language into another while keeping the same meaning. Translation, by dictionary definition, consists of changing from one state or form to another to turn into one's own or another language. The Merriam-Webster Dictionary 1974, a translation is a text. It is word arranged in sentence and sentence arranged in a larger structure in a non-arbitrary way according to the conversation of language, with the purpose of communication something in particular. Jadi, menurut definisi kamus, terjemahan adalah proses mengubah dari satu bentuk atau keadaan ke bentuk lainnya, yaitu mengubah ke dalam bahasa sendiri atau bahasa orang lain. Dan Merriam-Webster Dictionary 1974 menyatakan bahwa terjemahan adalah sebuah teks kata-kata disusun menjadi kalimat dan kalimat disusun menjadi struktur yang lebih besar secara teratur sesuai dengan kaidah bahasa dengan tujuan menyampaikan sesuatu secara khusus. And next is translation and interpreting. Interpreting and translation are two closely related linguistic disciplines, yet they are rarely performed by the same people. The difference in skill, training, aptitude, and even language knowledge are so substantial that few people can do both successfully on a professional level. Adoption around the world is increasing, and the third is the main and major role of language translation service we can see in business. Jadi, kenapa terjemahan itu sangat penting? Karena membantu orang berkomunikasi secara global, menjangkau pasar yang lebih luas, dan mengatasi hambatan bahasa. And the last is we talk about how to find the right translator. So to find a good translator, we must choose someone fluent, experienced, and able to understand both language and culture well. Jadi untuk menemukan penerjemah yang baik, yaitu pilih seseorang yang fasih, berpengalaman, serta mampu memahami bahasa dan budaya dengan baik. A career in translation is a lucrative path to choose, especially if you study a field which is in much demand, such as Spanish, French, German, Russian, and Japanese. Many large organizations or business turn towards to help of many translation service for business negotiation, drawing up a contract, and creating partnership. Jadi, karir di bidang penerjemahan merupakan pilihan yang menguntungkan, terutama jika kamu mempelajari bahasa yang banyak dibutuhkan seperti Spanyol, Prancis, Jerman, Rusia, dan Jepang. Banyak organisasi besar atau perusahaan menggunakan jasa penerjemahan untuk negosiasi bisnis, penyusunan kontrak, dan menjalani kerjasama. Okay, maybe that's all for me. I apologize for any mistakes or shortcomings.